first rare pair archaeological event and geologist event. We came across from a little bit ways and throughout this nice waterfall. Beautiful. So we'll stay around and stay tuned for the next perimeter. See after the next geologist. Check around for the next episode for all geologists and archaeological of Mongolia and Somalia throughout this next perimeter. You stick around and stay tuned. Check out our next article from Anna, an article with our next perimeter of our next explorer. You stick around, you stay tuned. Subscribe on Miss Anna Banana and MI-6. Thank you for watching. Stick around for the next episode and enjoy the view of this next episode and video and presentation. This is Parish Archaeological, Rare Pair Industries, and MI-6 Cluster. So stick around for the next episode. Stick around.